Orange, the curious cat, stared at the continuously flowing faucet. Determined, he pushed it with his paw. The water kept flowing. He tried again, this time with his nose. Still no luck. Frustrated, Orange gripped the faucet with the paw, then pressed down with all his might. The faucet opened wider, spraying water on his face. Every time he touched the faucet, the result was the same. The water got heavier, and Orange got drenched. In the end, after the umpteenth try, he only remembered his ex. My love for him used to be heavier than this water, but why did you keep wasting it?